Hi boys and girls, today is our 3 times each, and this week our goal is to read and write words with the L and T blends at the beginning and the end. So we're going to start with some words that have an L blend at the beginning, and then we'll do L and T blends at the end. So our first word is flip. Flip. Our next word is club. B. Club. Number 3, let's do flat. Flat. And our last one for the initial blend is plum. Now we're going to do the blend at the end of the word. So our first one is must. Must. Number 6, let's do next. Next. And number 7, left. Left. And the last one is bent. Bent. Now I want you to push pause on the video and write each word 3 times. So you're going to push pause and you're going to go back and copy each word 3 times. So it looks just like this. So push pause and then push play when you're ready to do the back side. Okay, so now that you have each word written 3 times, turn it to the back. So these are S blends, but they're also T blends, which is something we're doing this week. So I want you to look for all of the words that have an S and a T at the beginning. So then we're going to highlight these words like this so that we can find, it looks like there's 3 in each row. Now we're going to take our pencil and we're going to write these words on the line. So the first one is stamp. Then we're going to write stool. That's this one. Next is stick. Then we have star. We did this one last week. Stop. Stop. Stub. Storm. And story. Good. So we have all of the words written in there. Now we're going to do the ones with the box. So I'm thinking this one is stop because these letters fit. The next one is, let's do stick, goes here. Stub. Storm. And the last one is stamp. Good job, boys and girls. All right. So make sure that you have both sides done and everything completed. Make sure your name is at the top and put it in the basket.